12 common mistakes men make in relationships and how to avoid them. Relationships are like plants. They need care, love, and a bit of sunlight to grow and thrive. But even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. Mistakes that act more like pouring salt water on that plant, stunting its growth, or even destroying it. The good news? Recognizing these pitfalls and learning how to avoid them can transform your relationship into something stronger and healthier. In this video, we're breaking down 12 common relationship mistakes men often make, along with practical advice to help you steer clear of them. Let's get started. 1. Lack of presence. Have you ever found yourself physically present in a conversation, but mentally drifting elsewhere? Maybe you're thinking about last night's game or that work email you need to send. It's a common mistake, but one that can leave your partner feeling undervalued and ignored. The fix? Active listening. This means fully engaging in a moment, putting your phone down, maintaining eye contact, and genuinely caring about her words and feelings. It's not just about hearing, it's about truly listening. And trust me, she can tell the difference. 2. Neglecting personal growth. When you stop growing as an individual, your relationship can become stagnant too. Neglecting personal growth, whether it's emotional, intellectual, or physical, can lead to dissatisfaction for both you and your partner. Here's the truth. Investing in yourself isn't selfish. It's essential. Commit to bettering yourself by nurturing your emotional intelligence, expanding your knowledge, staying physically active, and setting personal goals. When you grow, you bring more energy and passion into the relationship. 3. Overlooking or dismissing her feelings. Have you ever said, "It's not a big deal," when she was upset? While it may seem like a small comment, it can make her feel unheard or invalidated. Acknowledging her feelings doesn't mean you have to agree with them. It means recognizing their importance. A simple, "I understand why you feel that way," can go a long way. Remember, emotions don't always need to make logical sense to be valid. 4. Acting like a man-baby. Needing support is normal, but expecting your partner to constantly pick up after you or make all the decisions can be draining for her. This often crosses the line into what's commonly referred to as man-baby behavior. Healthy relationships thrive on balance. Share responsibilities, from household chores to making plans. This not only lightens her load, but also strengthens your partnership by showing her that you're an equal contributor. 5. Failing to make her a priority. Life can get busy. Between work, friends, and hobbies, it's easy to let your relationship take a back seat. But when your partner feels like she's always coming in second or third, it can lead to feelings of neglect. Finding balance is the key. Whether it's setting aside time for a date night, planning a weekend getaway, or simply turning off your phone to reconnect, these moments show her she's a priority in your life. 6. Neglecting small gestures. Big romantic gestures are great, but it's the little things that truly sustain a relationship. Neglecting small, everyday acts of love can make your partner feel unappreciated over time. Think about simple ways to show you care. Making her coffee in the morning, sending a sweet text during the day, or handling a chore she dislikes. These small acts might seem insignificant, but they're the glue that holds relationships together. 7. Failing to inspire trust. Trust is the foundation of any relationship. Breaking it, whether through dishonesty, unreliability, or secrecy, can leave your partner questioning the relationship's future. Building trust is about consistency and integrity. Do what you say you'll do, communicate openly, and be transparent about your intentions. Remember, trust takes time to build but can be lost in an instant. Guard it wisely. 8. Being overly aggressive or dominant. Confidence and assertiveness are attractive traits, but when they tip into aggression or dominance, it can disrupt the harmony of your relationship. Healthy relationships thrive on mutual respect, shared decision-making, and open dialogue. Assertiveness doesn't mean overpowering your partner. It means communicating your needs while valuing hers equally. 9. Making her feel jealous or insecure. Deliberately making your partner jealous might seem like a harmless way to test her feelings, but it often backfires. Actions that spark insecurity can damage the foundation of trust and create unnecessary tension. Instead, focus on creating a secure environment. Reassure her of your commitment and be mindful of situations that might cause unnecessary worry. Relationships are not games. They're built on respect, honesty, and care. 10. Navigating sexual fantasies carelessly. Sharing fantasies can be a great way to deepen intimacy, but it must be done with care and consideration. Mishandling this sensitive topic can leave your partner feeling uncomfortable, alienated, or even inadequate. The key is open and respectful communication. Approach the subject with sensitivity, ensuring both partners feel heard and respected. Remember, the goal is to strengthen your connection, not to create distance. 11. Belittling or undermining her. Words have immense power. Demeaning jokes, dismissive comments, or belittling her achievements can chip away at her self-esteem and erode the trust in your relationship. Support should be the language of love. Celebrate her successes, value her opinions, and uplift her during tough times. When you show her that you respect and believe in her, you create a stronger, more loving partnership. 12. Failing to make her feel safe. Above all, your partner should feel safe, both emotionally and physically, in the relationship. If your actions or words make her question her security, it can undermine the entire foundation of your bond. Being a dependable partner means creating a sanctuary of trust, respect, and love. Be someone she can rely on and turn to, no matter what. This sense of safety is essential for any relationship to thrive. Building a thriving relationship is an ongoing journey. These mistakes aren't signs of failure. They're opportunities for growth. By being mindful and intentional in your actions, you can deepen your connection with your partner and build a more fulfilling, respectful relationship. Every day is a chance to show up differently, communicate better, and nurture the bond you share. Embrace these lessons, not as criticisms, but as tools to become the best partner you can be. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.